lo sokusho manje angisafuni sengiyahamba because kunetimo empilweni bazalwane lethi idinga ukuthi uzuqansuke empilweni because ungakaqansuki uyathatha uqhubeka dlale ngawe ngato because uyabona awukadinwa lethi iBhayibheli lenila ngaPawule ahamba nabanye abafundi lethi iBhayibheli kunemuntombazane beyilokubemethe emva kwabo ithi nawo amafutha kaNkulunkulu amemethele umbuso lodaba lethi iBhayibheli Pawule waqansuka and he cast out the evil spirit from the grave kunetimo letingeke tishintshe ungakaqansuki the devil will continue playing with your life because awukaqansuki uvumela konke lakulethako you succumb to everything you accept everything awukaqansuki kugula abantwana kulumntwana uyathuka you succumb to the threat kunokuba sifo emtimbeni wakho your foundation of faith is shaken uyathuka kudingeka kufika isikhathi la khona uqasuka khona la uthola ngiyabona kulo mndeni wasekhaya akekho lephumulelako but namhlanje I'm standing here sengqashukile I'm stand against the spirit of poverty I stand against the spirit yabazalwane kufika isikhathi la khona kumele uqasuka khona because as I've said with all these spirits all these situations lesitamle simo sami mina vele kunjela ikhaya not acceptable dingasuswa within a twinkle of an eye only if ungaqasuka and remember who you are ukuthi sitawena nginamandla ngingaphezu kwabanqobi asikho sikhali lesilolelwe mina lesiyophumelela the word of the Lord is the lamp unto my feet. Hallelujah. I know we are letting the Lord start. I know the Lord is with me. These will come in one direction, but in seven direction. The Lord is with me. I shall fear no evil. Yeah. Putting your heart. Lord of Israel unami akadela kalali ngiyathi sakamshini ngedwa noma ngene emlilweni unami noma ngene emantileshe sabo nami asikho simo la ngena khona nibe ngedwa the Lord is with me wherever I go then it happened ukuthi uma lenkosi eMasiriya benathathi kufa no yabe siyaqasuka na yalungisathi inqolatana nemahashi ali nemasotsha akhona walungisela kuyohlasela Israel bese isifika uNkulunkulu wathumela umprofeti kuAhab wathi Ahab uyibonile indembi lenkulu kangaka lethunyelwe against isizwe sami Israel kuthiwa wathi uNkulunkulu lalela kunenzo lento yenza ngidawunikela lesifo seMasiriya esandleni sakho uyobanqoba hayi ngoba uyakhona kunqoba uyanqoba hayi ngoba unemandla okunqoba uyophumelela hayi ngoba unemandla okuphumelela because sanbanikele esandleni sakho noma yakho iyodwa info lekumele uthandazele fana babanikele esandleni sakho amanye ngisiphe simo lobhekane naso uthikile lelo simakade lethe akunikwe nguwe give me this victory give me ngamanye amagama wena Ahab kuyohamba wena bayabona wena bese bazelela kangabantu kunesandla saJehova sike sabonakala eGibhithe isandla saJehova uma Moses naAaron bebephambi kwenkosi Faro kaphambi kafakaza Danusi katakusule Moses yamandla kanamandla Moses yamandla ukuthakathaka surely there's a hand of God upon this man. Listen, Bible Joseph, nakafika eGibhithe konke lebekabamba bephumelela konke lebekathinta bephumelela babonakala ukuthi man surely there's a hand of the Lord upon this young man. Lithi Jacob kalabani nakafika khona imfuyo leyanele yabanjwa nguye imfuyo yakala yanza washo kuseke yabonakala the hand of the Lord upon this man. Kunatimo bese ngoba bantu bafazi noma bengekafike la. It's either there is something that is sebenzisa or there's a hand. Because sometimes we don't see the hand, but these are double just born. Sometimes the fourth man in the furnace, when are we born? But people outside you, your enemy outside you can see the fourth man. Hallelujah. But Marshall, no matter the decision of give up, no matter the situation of depression, no matter the situation of pain, now come into the yake, now pray but there is something we cannot ignore. There is a hand of God upon this woman. So that as a father, now I can now the sons of Jehovah, as not to let them temper, this is one of my spirit, as I told you later, but I see surely there's a hand of God. Who follows? See it. Who's on the link for that? Look at your boot. You're saying, when I start to go on, sinners have them now. You want my footprint. It's your damn attack. Ube khona sikhathi la khona sengibona amngedwa ngithi kuthi Jehova sokupha kanti nakuba nzima uyangishiya na kanti nakuba mathime lona uyangilahla na iBhayibheli liphosa yaphendula kwathiwa no lekhani sokona ama footsteps amabili abathwala bakhe abahole endleleni akabashibetha bakhe bayathwala. As if I get tired along the way, I know I have a God who press on power, who gives me power to press on. I know I am not alone. I know I am not rejected. I am not deserted. I have God by my side. I told you my son now. What shall I say to my son? Endleleni yonke yakho ngakhumbela ushabelela athi cha angengedwa noma liduma izulu nonyazi usabela ngisho namazwi olwandle amakhulu. There is something that I know angedwa then kuthiwa uNkulunkulu wayala what's it? Gijima u-attack ekuqala u-attack lesizwe sema-Syria wahamba ahambe impi ka-Israyeli yayohlasela ungasho kakhulu njabula yayohlasela lesizwe sema-Syria asinqoba asiqothula abulala ngisho kwasana abulala onke amasoja la esizweni saseSyria. Sikhona bazalwane lithi leBhayibheli Israel wabele emuva celebrate ayinokunqoba kwakhe kuthiwa lethi indona tahamba direct lenkosi yaseSyria yathi buka yena la wena nkosi Ben-Hadad sendele iphutha la asizange sahlolisisa kahle before siyohlasela labantu laba lebesilwa nabo uNkulunkulu wabo uNkulunkulu wetinzaba. Their God is the God of mountains. Sendele iphutha saba salwa nabo basenzabe. We stand no chance of having victory against them. Ngoba silwe nabo enzabe asendele ngoba beniyeliswa phinda futhi wakhe amasoda ungekho amasoda bese this time around siyakubo soba challenger bese lekhani ba-attack back basibalwa nathi sishaya ngathi siyabaleka kuze beshe enzabeni better in a valley so that you can fight them and defeat them in the valley. Okay, let me help you. Number one, whenever you see a mountain, in the mountain, isymbolizer noma imele ipresence yaNkulunkulu ukhona baNkulunkulu. Number 2, we could sorry before ngidlula, we remember uma Moses kukhona Moses bekambikela entsabeni bese the presence yaNkulunkulu besentsabeni bese uNkulunkulu tshela amaIsrael kusangayitouch lenzaba because my presence is here and my glory is here. If they dare touch the even la cala khona lenzaba, they can die instantly because the presence of God was in the mountain. Hallelujah. And also the mountain stands for worship. We are gathered in the Mount Zion where legions of angels are gathered to worship. Magama inzaba imele indumiso. Sikhona bazalwane. Number 3, indumiso noma inzaba imele emandla, the strength, because there's no way you can be in the presence of God worshiping God bese uba weak, uba buthakathaka. So inzaba imele emandla. Hallelujah. And number 4, inzaba imele stability. Stability. When you are in the presence of the Lord, you are stable. You are stability, spiritually and also physically. And number 5, according to my points, number 5 is the mountain is symbolized where heavens and earth meet. La kona kulukula hlangana kona nemuntu. So whenever you see a mountain, knows ukuthi inzaba imele into ngetinza even more. Hallelujah. So the sickness of Syria, sithi sende iphutha kuyanjabula, sende iphutha salwa nabo while they are in the presence of the Lord. Makenguya sende iphutha while they are worshiping, salwa nabo while they are worshiping their gods. Sende iphutha salwa nabo labanemandla khona, because laba banemandla emthandazweni ngoba inzaba isimbolize umthandazo. Sendela iphutha salwa emthandazo ngoba intombazane yakhona emandla abo akhona khona. Sendela iphutha salwa nabo la uNkulunkulu wabo akhona khona. Bazalwane, then the devil made a strategy ukuthi asenelise lokubasusa emzabeni. Kuyajabula asenelise of shutting down their prayer. This woman is so prayerful. Let us not fight here while he is prayerful. Let us quench his prayer first. Asilete tino letutima umthandazo wakhe, because umathandaza unemandla influencela sivimba umthandazo. Asilete inkinga letutawuvimba umthandazo. Asilete bantwana bangamlaleli, asete bantwana babhebhe inyawupe so that atosisa amehlo akhe kuNkulunkulu wakhe abukele abantwana so that astop ethandaza but aqale complaina asimsuse emthandazweni. Asimsuse noba kuhlale bukhona, noba kuhlale bukhona uNkulunkulu wakhe, and ngeke sikhona kulona asebukhona uNkulunkulu wakhe asende liso yaphiza. The devil akanamandla phezu kwakho but uhlala cabanga imasi. Asende liso lokumsusa emthandazweni, asende liso lokustop indumiso yakhe. Sisende iphutha kuyanjabula, sende iphutha salwa nabo while they are in the presence of the Lord. Makenguya sende iphutha while they are worshiping, salwa nabo while they are worshiping their gods. Sende iphutha salwa nabo labanemandla khona, because laba banemandla emthandazweni ngoba inzaba isimbolize umthandazo. Sendela iphutha salwa emthandazo ngoba intombazane yakhona emandla abo akhona khona. Sendela iphutha salwa nabo la uNkulunkulu wabo akhona khona. Bazalwane, then the devil made a strategy ukuthi asenelise lokubasusa emzabeni. Kuyajabula asenelise of shutting down their prayer. This woman is so prayerful. Let us not fight here while he is prayerful. Let us quench his prayer first. Asilete tino letutima umthandazo wakhe umthandazo. Asilethe inkinga yokutawufunda umthandazo. Asilethe abantwana bangamlaleli. Aseke abantwana babheke inyawo so that atosisa amehlo akhe kuNkulunkulu wakhe abukele abantwana so that astop ethandaza bakaqala complain. Asimsuse emthandazweni. Asimsuse. Noma kuhlale bukhona. Noma kuhlale bukhona uNkulunkulu wakhe. Ngeke sikhona kulona. Asebukhona uNkulunkulu wakhe. Asende izwi. Yaphila. The devil akanamandla phezu kwakhe. But uhlala cabanga imasi. Asende izwi. Yokumsusa emthandazweni. Asende izwi. Stop indumiso yakhe. Because indumiso in the presence yaNkulunkulu wakhe uhlala khona. Because unemandla nasemthandazweni nasendumisweni. Asimsuse endumisweni nasemthandazweni. Hallelujah. Asimsuse la uNkulunkulu wakhe akhona khona. Ususa njani umuntu? Hambe kuka Job. Dafika dinkinga. Dafika ngesikhathi lesonto. Awukasubona ukuthi ube senkingeni uthi uthandazana lenkinga nethi na usuyanqoba lenkinga kuvubuke lenye le western leya usathubukele no okay thola ukuthi uyothandaza kayi3 ngelanga nayifika lenkinga yokuqala uyehla umthandazo uthandaza kayi2 kufika yesithathu uthi manje Jehova mina kahle ngonene uyehla umthandazo uthandaza kayi1 kufika inkinga usabukele kuvubukele wehle naloyo 1 ufuna uyothandaza kungaphumi emagama angasaphume emagama mafika lesikhathi somthandazo ufike nyoguqe edolweni nawe usuyaguqa uthi ufuna ukukhipha emagama sathana lethi video yalethi inkinga athi uthandaza nje makehlobo bantwana babhema inyawo uthandaza nje wena indvodza kushiyile bathi sehlala emarumini nemntana esikole uthandaza nje wena ngisho emsebenzini wakho bayakuzonda uthandaza yini ongayithandaza wena unemaphutha langaka bese nawe you condemn yourself wesukulu awusathandazi bese uyahamba uyofuna ema-means okukhohlwa inkinga takho kanti nilapho thina kufuna khona kuze alwe nawe he knows ukuthi kule state lasakuzo manje sesimdisconnecte naNkulunkulu wakhe sesingalona ebazalwane let me advise you ukuthi noma tifika leti inkinga lisibabe diningi ihlupho labantu ngini but uNkulunkulu wakho lonke noma tifika leti inkinga hambe yoguqa noma masaphume emafi ngithi kukhona inyembeti kuphela lithi iBhayibheli ngongcwele uyakhona kuhumusha leti inyembeti ezulwini athi chaze mbabe kuthi leti inyembeti lithi ngisho noma angasaphume emagama tingasaphumi ngisho inyembeti lithi iBhayibheli sina Jesu we have a mediator who prays for us lekani singasakhona ikuthandaza asilahliwe nalapho kuna Jesu okhona kusithandazela. Then we plan on the strategy. I'm closing now. What's awesome source? Enzabe. Story nae. Emachafe. Noma inefeli. Kuthiwa uNkulunkulu wafika wathumela umprofeti. Waya kulenceka kaNkulunkulu. Nakafika wathi bengelisho lokuthi balwe nawe kunje kuthi bakususe enzabeni bayilwa nawe ineveli but kunento labangayathi noma kunento lesithandanga yathi but namhlanje ngifuna ukumfundisa yona kusho uNkulunkulu uthi when teach the devil ukuthi the God in the mountain is still God in the valley. The God in the mountain is still God in the pits. The God in the mountain is still God in the fire. The God in the mountain, Lazarus, is still God in the tomb. The God in the mountain, Daniel, is still God in the lion's den. The God of Barcelona, who's not trying to teach the devil one thing, but I am not God in heaven. I am not God in the mountain. Wherever you can find yourself, I am God. God you study the valley, the word the valley in the Bible, the word valley is symbolized noma imele difficult times. Because the word valley, whenever valley is mentioned, it may because difficult times. Also, the word valley symbolizes trials. When you study the valley, the word the valley in the Bible, the word valley is symbolized noma imele difficult times. Because the word valley, whenever valley is mentioned, it may because difficult times. Also, the word valley symbolizes trials. Hallelujah. Also, the word valley symbolizes hardship. Also, the word valley symbolizes deeper reliance on God. We remember David, the word is deeper reliance on God. Lisho kwesekela ngalokuphelele kuNkulunkulu. Samkhumbula David, he was in the valley. Uma lisiBhayibheli waphakamisa amehlo wabuka entsabeni ngoba naye bekathi ukuthi usito vele entsabeni. Kanti kuthiwa in the valley wakhumbula wathi ngiphakamisela amehlo amethi I'm in the valley. But amehlo waphakamisela entsabeni. Where my help coming from? My help is coming from the Lord. Bekabuka entsabeni. uNkulunkulu wavela in the valley. Wamnika amandla in the valley. Wabamba iphupezi in the valley. Wahlupha phakathi in the valley. Wabamba nempela in the valley. Wanqoba in the valley. Because the God of the mountains is still God. Sikhona uNkulunkulu yomasizi kuma hardships. Sikhona uNkulunkulu yomasizi kuma trials. Sikhona uNkulunkulu yomasizi in difficult times. Lekhanso ngasana amandla. Lekhanso kuphela ngamandla akho. So ngasana themba. Sebakushiye bonke. Sebelahle bonke. We are serving our God. Lokhona kwehla. IsiBhayibheli wehla. Wakushiya ubukhosi. Wakushiya ubukhathikhathi. Wehlele emhlabeni. Kwase kwabuka ingelosi. Dasulima umuntu uzumlandzele kangaka. Ukuthi ungazishiya amazulu. Ungazishiya ubukhosi bakho. Just wehlele umuntu. Uye in the valley lapho khona. Ngathi ngiyamuzwa. As I'm not the God of heaven only. I'm still God of valleys. There are times la khona uthi kulesimo lembuzo uNkulunkulu ngeke angiside because ngidifake mine la. I was at fault. I disobeyed God. Angimlalelanga uNkulunkulu. Hence ngithola ngila. So la khona God can never help me. Kusho wena. Uthi la ngimi sidono dami lethi ngifakela. God can never help me because this is the result of my disobedience to God. But sithola indoda, uyajabula. Sithola indoda lengiSamson. Ngiyo lenengwa. Ngiyo lekhipha imfihlo. Ngakho nje ngiyo lephuzela wayini. But simthola emehla kishiwe. Simthola ukuthi wesimo lakho nafaso khona. But remember the God of heavens. Remember the God of mountains. Uthi Mose ngikhumbule ngivele ngithatha the God of heavens where he descended. He descended. Wehla uNkulunkulu. Wehlele emanane naSamson. Wayemdaba lathi fake khona. Wehlela khona ngoba uNkulunkulu walabashela nabani. Ngisho noma sewufake wena. Yes. He's your father. Simengathi yawo. He's God your father. Asikho simo lesingamela kulahle. Asikho simo lesingamela kushiye. The God of the rich is still God of the poor. The God of the healthy ones is still God of the sick. The God of powerful people is still God of the weak. Asikho sibabazalwane. Asingena kuNkulunkulu akushiye. In your difficult times, in your trials, in your hardships, rely on God. Mbite ngisho ngoma sekone wena. Mbite ngisho sofana na Jobe. Nkosi ngiyimbe ngizama ukubalekela wena. But wangavumi inhlanzi umudle embulala. Umakhala Jobe esifisa ifisha sikose mkhumbula. Wamkhumbula. So, yabasana asikho sono lesingenda uNkulunkulu akushiye. He said it was because of sin. Listen that Jesus ashiye izulu eTekowa because of sin. Asikho ngembhali inja lephilayo ingcono kunenduku ezilefile ngoba as long usaphefumula usenethemba ngawe usenethemba. Down in the valley, down in the pit where you are, down in the furnace, down in the lion's den, down in the prison cell, Joseph, the God of the mountain is still God in the furnace. Fanameka mflatangazakani nawe. Angisathi isimo lokuso, angiyathi vele lokuwo. Mhlawumbe usemlilweni, mhlawumbe you're working in deep waters. You are drowning in deep waters. The God of the mountain is still God in the deep waters. The God of the mountain is still God in the furnace. We serve a God who is merciful. We serve a God who is kind and loving. God can still reach out to you. Just call on Him. Uthi ngibike ngesuku lokuhlupheka labanye bathi ungangifoneli ngibhetha ngifone right, but our God says call me fonela mina bita mina ngesuku lokuhlupheka arabaya makabaya janaya emakhopha radio ngicela na uma ngabe weva bathi ngikhuluma nawe just run to the front gijimile ngaphambili uthandazeka nawe egameni likaJesu.